see minor touch-ups to the wooden coasters each year.
Yeah.
With Cedar Fair purchasing Rocky Mountain Construction and Great Coasters International, could we possibly see Wonderland being a candidate for one of these?
You know, anything's possible. We don't have any official plans at this moment that can be talked about, but I think that's always up in the air because they are part of the company. You know, we're always looking around at our different rides and where they could be improved. So that's possible.
So as you can tell, we were unable to get a definitive answer on whether we're going to get an RMC at Canada's Wonderland, but we're going to go over the age-long rumor of RMC Wild Beast or RMC Mindbuster. A lot of people prefer RMC Wild Beast. I'm one of those people that prefer RMC Mindbuster, but I can see either or being RMC'd. I do, however, see that RMC Wild Beast is probably going to be the one chosen down the road. We're going to go over a few things that have happened over the past couple of years and kind of digest which one is most likely, and then you guys obviously comment below which you guys think is the most likely and which one you would also prefer. Alright, so both coasters are receiving retracking. RMC Wild Beast had a lot of retracking done 3 seasons ago and a lot done this season. So the fan curve on its way back to the second turnaround was redone this year, as well as a paint job. RMC Mindbuster had some major retracking last season with the tunnel bit, and it had its trains a little bit overhauled this season with a new paint job and new seats. And this part right here was retracked slightly, ever so slightly, this season. So both are kind of hard to pick which would be RMC'd based off of that information, just because both coasters are receiving touch-ups, but both coasters do need touch-ups. We know that these coasters aren't the most comfortable coasters in the park, and both need that extra little tender love and care, which they are receiving, which is nice as well. So on top of that, it comes down to the layout. A lot of people say RMC Mindbuster would be kind of boring and an airtime filled coaster, whereas RMC Wild Beast would have those twists, turns, and inversions like Twisted Cyclone per se, which I can see, and I do get that, but I do see a lot of inversions being capable in an RMC Mindbuster as well. So with the land space, you have about 716 meters for an RMC Wild Beast potential, because there are rumors that Speed City could be removed down the road. That would open up a lot more capability of RMC coming in and building a slightly bigger project, but maybe they don't even need that. Maybe they'll just stick to Wild Beast's layout as in general. So then you have Mindbuster. Mindbuster has a total space of 982 meters, which gives them a lot more room to do a lot more. However, I do think with Mindbuster, if they were to do RMC, they would maybe not do the whole layout and open it up to a water park expansion down the road, as we saw at Carowinds. Either way, comment below what you guys think is most likely, and I have a great video at the end here of RMC Wild Beast. Have a good one.